Hi everyone, in this video I will show two solutions to fix the VCRUNTIME140.dll error. The first thing you will do is click on the link in the description to be redirected to this website. On this website, we will download the file that will fix the error. Once inside the website, let's scroll down the page. And we will click on the download button. Wait 5 seconds. And now transfer the zip file to the desktop. Let's extract it with WinRAR. Let's copy the DLL file that was extracted from it. We will open the File Explorer. We will click on the local disk C. We will open the Windows folder. Now find the System32 folder. Open it. Right-click on the empty area and paste the DLL file. Click Replace. And finally, click Continue. Now return. And open the syswow64 folder. Repeat the same process. And that's it. This was the first solution. Now see if the error has been fixed. If not, try the next solution. Reinstall the program or game that is giving this error. As the message itself says, if you reinstall the program, the error will be corrected. So do this, even if it is a boring process to do, because the error will definitely be corrected after reinstallation. And if you don't know what a reinstallation is basically uninstalling the program or game and installing it again. That's it guys, I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.